Good evening. My name is Ashley Wilson, and today we're going to be doing our new technology artifact. And what I'm going to cover today is actually a really small review on the Screecast-O-Matic, Zoom video conferencing, and also a stylus and tablet. And all of these I would use to help facilitate a flipped classroom approach for my technology integration plan. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the Screecast-O-Matic. And that's actually what I'm using. That's why you're able to see my screen right now. And it is a great little program that you can use to record your screen and can do up to 15 minutes for free, which is great for little mini lessons for your students that you want to upload to maybe Google Classroom for them to check out. But if you want to pay a small subscription fee, you can get unlimited time and actually editing capabilities with your screen recording. So that's one great piece of software, and like I said, that's what I'm actually using today to record my screen. The second thing I want to talk about is Zoom, which is a great video conferencing platform that allows you to record. You can also save and upload your lessons easily. You can screen share your desktop, PowerPoints, or even a whiteboard with other participants that are in the Zoom meeting. It allows for any one-on-one tutoring, which is great, or small group breakout sessions during a live session. It also is just great to utilize that students have been using for the past semester and for the upcoming school year with the COVID-19. So let's check out this Zoom software. So what you should see right now is my screen, but then now when I go to join a Zoom meeting, you're going to see something that pops up like this, in which they can join using a code that you provide for your students. You can jump right into just sharing your screen with them. You can schedule meetings in advance, or you can just set a new meeting. And so when I go to set a new meeting, you'll see this screen pop up, which is really, really nice. And then down at the bottom, you can see that you can either mute yourself or mute other participants. You can either start with the video or no video. So like today, I am just using the audio capabilities. But if I wanted to start video, I could easily go and it would link with my webcam on my camera, on my computer. Here is where you can see all the participants that are in the current Zoom meeting. It allows for a chat session for them on the side, which would be great if you have muted students, but they want to type in a question while you're going through your lesson and you can actually see it. But the screen share is actually really great because when you screen share, you can either share your desktop, your whiteboard, you can connect your phone via cable or AirPlay. You can also pull up anything that you have open, such as PowerPoints or anything else that you would want to directly share during your Zoom meeting. So say for instance, if I just want to share a whiteboard, which is a great capability, you should now be able to see this whiteboard with all of these options, and this is where I would use my stylus and my tablet. So if I want to be able to type something, I easily could. I could say, my name is Miss Wilson. I could even draw very easily using my stylus and tablet, which is great. So if I wanted to draw the triangle that we're going to be working on, I could do that. It's also really great when you're solving equations, so students can actually see things that are happening. So if I wanted to type in like 2x equals 10 for one of my basic Algebra 1 students for review, I could easily show them, okay, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides, and could even change the color so then that way they can see things. And it's great because if you want to move on to a new screen, you just hit the new screen. I could even continue here with drawing more stuff or more shapes that might be needed. And it's really great because then at the end, you can actually save this entire whiteboard lesson and upload it to your Google Classroom or attach it to the lesson plan for the day. So if I stop share that one, but say for instance, I just want to share my screen and share the PowerPoint lesson for today. So what I could easily do is when I go down here, and this would be the screen if I had my video, you can actually say, okay, well, let's pull up the chapter 1 8 notes. And like here, you can even see that I've already written on here using my stylus and tablet, which is great. So then that way you can actually work on problems together with your class and they can see you as you are writing and solving the problem with them. Or you could even flip it and let the students do it. So it's really just a lot of great software that is very useful for a flipped classroom approach. And I really hope you enjoyed it. So definitely check out Screencast-O-Matic for any of your screen recording software needs. Check out Zoom for any live lessons that you may want to present or screen share with your students. And also, I would really highly suggest investing in a stylus and a tablet because it makes it easier to write directly on the screen, especially if your computer doesn't have those capabilities. So thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and let me know if you have any questions.